Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use brick hooks. Brick hooks provide a fantastic, damage-free solution for hanging decorations, lights, or even tools on your brick walls. They are designed to securely grip the mortar joints between bricks, eliminating the need for drilling or adhesives. This means no permanent damage to your beautiful brickwork. It's a simple, effective method for adding a personal touch to your outdoor or indoor brick surfaces without any fuss. Choosing the right brick hook is crucial for a secure installation. First, measure the thickness of your mortar joint. Hooks are designed for specific joint sizes, often between 1/4 and 3/8 of an inch. Next, consider the weight of the item you plan to hang. Brick hooks typically support between 25 and 50 pounds, so always match the hook's capacity to your item for optimal safety and stability. Installing a brick hook is surprisingly straightforward. Begin by positioning the hook over a horizontal mortar joint, ensuring the top lip rests firmly on the brick above and the bottom teeth grip the mortar below. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap the top of the hook until it feels snug and secure. Avoid excessive force. Once installed, give the hook a light tug to confirm its stability before hanging your item. For the best results, always adhere to the hook's weight capacity. Overloading can lead to failure. It's also important to avoid using brick hooks on damaged, crumbling, or freshly repaired mortar joints, as they won't provide a stable grip. For larger or heavier items, consider using 2 hooks spaced evenly apart to distribute the weight and ensure a balanced, secure display. These simple tips will help you maximize the effectiveness of your brick hooks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.